attention seeker.
It's funny. This is fucking funny. It's on the camera. I know he's got.
Should have picked up the one that said camera on the box.
I don't know.
I probably would have been the camera. I'm willing to bet on that.
So it's gonna be like the time you burnt your arm hairs and everything when you lit up the grill.
You gotta put some shit on the back of it.
This is gonna be the time that he burnt all the hair off the top of his head.
Well, he
After
doesn't.
a hat for a few weeks.
He doesn't have that much hair.
It's alright, I got this.
There you go. And I dropped the parts down. And I didn't give you all the parts.
No, we don't need them.
There you go.
Because we got extra.
Man, how bad of the extra parts?
How's this going?
Famous last words, right?
Yeah, I do got the legs on them. I'm walking backwards as hell.
I like how it took him like 40 minutes to figure that out. Like, this pipe doesn't fit.
That's
So,
so
does
awesome.
this go on like this? I'm asking you a question. I'm gonna fucking slap his
The
mouth.
washer and the...
I know how this shit goes. That's what I'm saying. How does this shit go?
Like that.
Like this?
Yeah. Let me make sure though, because I did fuck up the legs. Yeah, it goes on like that.
Hey, we're good to go. We don't need anything else. Isn't there supposed to be a bolt that goes on the back of this?
Yeah, I gave them to you, man.
You gave me the nuts. No, I need the nut.
I gave it to you.
No, fuck that. You gave me the bolt and the goddamn washers. The fucking nut.
I gave you the fucking nuts, man. I'm running out now.
What about all the extra parts you was talking about?
We're running out now.
God damn it. I forget how this goes on.
We have extra parts and we're still running out of parts.
This ain't cool.
How the fuck does this work out? Shut up, man. Man down. Man down.
Lose daylight.
Won't be raining on us.
How long on the instructions did it say that it took to put this together? Because
Oh,
you said an hour.
Where's that other bolt?
Shut up.
Where'd that nut go?
We're going on hour like 2.
Oh, man.
You got shit in it.
No, I'm serious. This is a heart attack.
What the fuck
How
did
are
you
you
do with
losing
it?
everything?
Oh, you did get it. Oh, there it is. I'm mad.
We should just take the context out of that whole nut thing.
Let's just go to Walmart and buy one that's already put together.
I feel like we need like a
We'll
third
take this
friend.
one back. I think we do too.
We need to start
Either
hunting
way.
around for somebody who's good at putting stuff together.
Tom's eyeing the people.
Hey, just ask them fuckers if they want to help.
I'm pretty sure his grill came put together.
They ain't on a grill. I got a fire pit. It's completely different.
Gotta be nice to them. They own their own lawn care.
Part fell into the other part, so
So they do like this guy's yard at a discounted price. I was like, that's what we need when we're out of town.
Yeah.
So we don't come home to the stupid HOA. Your grass is too long. Your grass is too dead.
Yeah, I get that letter at least once a year.
Yeah. I give them a
Not
big
Tom's fault though, right?
No.
No, never.